Arvest is proud to introduce ATM with Live Teller. With video capabilities, Arvest associates are available with extended hours to help meet your banking needs.
Hi, welcome to Arvest. How can I help you today?
Arvest ATM with Live Teller allow you to chat face-to-face with an Arvest associate for account assistance, check cashing, deposits, withdrawals, loan or credit card payments, and more right from your vehicle with personal assistance every step of the way. When you're ready to begin your transaction, touch the screen to get started. Our tellers can locate your account with your Arvest debit card, valid driver's license, or your account number. We're here to provide you with the same level of customer service you've come to expect from us in branch, but now from your vehicle. Plus, you can utilize the machines for ATM access 24/7. Arvest ATM with Live Teller have extended hours to meet your banking needs. Open Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., and Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The next step in banking starts here.